Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I'm Sally, and in today's video I have got a dress that I want to switch up and do some smocking with, and also I want to decrease a smocking design that I've literally just done in the last video, and this time I want to miniaturize the design, see how well it will come out. So I'm going to be using one of the dresses that I bought from a charity shop, and let's see how we get on. So what I've done here is I've turned the dress inside out. This is one of the dresses I got from a charity shop a little while back in another video, which you can check out, a charity shop video. And I've drawn every ½ inch, I've done a dot all the way across and down, and I've positioned it sort of in the top end of the dress. And I've also put in, which I've done this before, but I've put in a cutting board so that it's nice and stretched, the fabric, and I've used a water soluble pen and also my quilting ruler, which is really handy. This is the pattern I'm going to do. If you remember when I did it in the last video, I did it for 1 inch square grid. This is obviously ½ inch. So I start over here and I'm going to go over that middle dot. I'm going to leave a knot. I'm going over the dot again and coming up to this next dot here. One over the top. Over the top. And down. Let me show you a bit closer. So once we've got down here, one across, back up to be level with this stitch, give it some slack, across over that dot, back up to the top, and one across, down, over the top of that dot, and you see the pattern starting to take shape. Like that. And I'm going to just get all the way across there. So I'm counting 6 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, and I'm going to restart and do that pattern again just over here. That's how it's looking with the 3 rows done. And then on the final row, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then go down to the 7th one and start there. That's all 3 rows done, and next up we are going to be doing the next pattern in between each of those rows. So the next pattern, I'm counting 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth gap we're going to be doing a pattern here. Next row I've counted 3 down, and I'm actually going on the third dot, taking my needle up slightly, and then we're going to run across 2, the width of 2 dots, and it's just the depth of 1. And then we're coming up 1 across, and then across 2. That's how it's looking so far, and I've just got one more to do over here, so I'm going to count down 3 squares, 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth one I'm going to do the same pattern here, again all the way across. So next what we're going to do is we're going to pick up the first embroidery thread, the third embroidery thread, and then the 5th. And those are the only 3 we're going to pull on. And we'll come back to the other 2 in a little while. So carefully, we're just going to push those together. So I just wanted to share with you all the smocking pieces that I've done so far. This was the one that I got done today, and then if you remember this beautiful warehouse top that I got, I did a design down the sleeve and on the back, which kind of shrunk it at the back and it fits me a bit better. And then we did this dress. We did the wave smocking at the side of that dress on both sides, which worked out well. And then the arrow smocking on this dusky pink t-shirt, which is stunning. I do like this kind of miniature smocking. I think it works really well. And then we did that white dress with the flower smocking on the fabric over the top of that one. Can't remember what it was actually. Kind of like a chiffony fabric. And then the brickwork smocking on that top. And then if you remember this dress here, we did some enlarged arrow smocking and did some on the sleeve up there as well. So yeah, I've got quite a bit done. What do we think? Perhaps in the comments you could tell me which one you think has worked the best so far. Got a couple more tops from that charity shop haul I did video, and got a few more to do, and I will do some more smocking ideas on them. So I hope you enjoyed this video today, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. For free content I post every week, and I'd love to have you in the community. Alright then, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!